Looking like Chun-Li or whatever. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, I'm Deandra. If you haven't subscribed already, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Alright y'all, so I've had my mini twists in for 2 weeks and honestly they still look really good. I had to retwist a few here and there just to touch them up a bit, but that was nothing major. And if you haven't seen how I install my mini twist, then make sure that you click on this video. But for this video, I just wanted to show y'all how I styled my mini twist and give y'all a little bit of inspo for when you do your mini twist. Personally, I think mini twists are amazing. Like, you can do so much with them and I just love it. Okay, so now we're just gonna get into the video. Alright, so obviously this is one style that you can do. My twists are literally just down, parted down the middle. Alright, so now for my second style, we're gonna take this part of my hair. I'm actually gonna leave a couple of them down. I always just think that looks really cute. And then take a ponytail holder. I really love this style. Now this is basically the same style with just like a slight variation. We're gonna bring the ponytail high. That's just how we do it. Know how to keep it cool. So I just really love this style. It kind of gives me like Martin Shanae vibes, but it's still cute. Taking pictures, make sure you can see no less. That was secure, like the money in a safe. I look like that, now I'm on the way. But you know that I'm all the way. Alright, so now from this style, you can just make this into a cute bun. Like so. It's a homie, something kind of mood, and tonight we on 100. Now drop off the baby mama. Right, so now we're gonna do just some cute space buns. So we do it, you like it what I do, know how to keep it cool, and that's just how we do it, yeah, that's just how we do it, and you can do it too. So all of those styles were with a middle part, but now I'm just gonna flip my hair over. This is one of the perks of parting your hair when you do your mini twist, because it allows you to create like side parts. All right, so I find my side part, flip it over. My hair has been in the middle part for a few days now, so I'm gonna have to bobby pin. Alright, and then you you can just wear your hair to the side. Next, I'm just gonna do a cute ponytail with these few out. And that's just how we do it. Now I'm gonna just take all my hair over to the side. I'm gonna leave like maybe one down right there. And it just gives kind of like a faux hawk look. And then of course you can do your ponytail with your hair over to the side. This look always makes me think of Lauryn Hill. I don't know why, but I just love it. So this style, I'm just putting my hair all the way up at the top of my head. I'm gonna leave out a few in the back. And then you kind of just let them fall however they want to fall. And it's another super cute look. You can also put your hair into two space buns without leaving any of it out. A few of mine will probably come out in the back, but that's okay. Looking like Chun-Li or whatever. Alright y'all, so that's all the styles that I have for y'all. Hopefully this gave y'all some inspiration. Let me know down below in the comments which one was your favorite. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DeAndreLaVon to see more hair content. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel because the videos are going to keep on coming. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.